Hey YouTube, Matt here. Hey, I'm posting my first knife making video here, although I've been here for a while on the channel doing other things. And I've gotten into knife making a little bit in the last few years. My son got a forge a while back and got me into it too. And then I started seeing on YouTube all these incredible knife makers who are talented, and the craftsmanship is just unreal. So I've been following you guys and watching you, and I saw OG Frenchie had a knife challenge and was super excited about that. And so I learned about Erick's channel, the TRE workshop, and I noticed that he was going to do a knife challenge too. And he was mentioning it was a hidden tang challenge. So I thought, dang, that's kind of what I've been working on for the last couple months. I made one knife, I made one fail, and so I wanted to join this challenge so that I can keep working on my hidden tang skills. What I've done in this little short video is just start the process by forging out my billet and showing you guys how I did that. There's not a lot to it, but I'll add to it here soon, as we're actually coming down to the wire here, another like 14 days or something left in this challenge. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Hey YouTube, this is me, Matt, here in my shop about ready to build a knife. I'm doing this for the TRE knife challenge. We're going to be doing a hidden tang chef's knife, at least that's what I'm doing. But it will be a hidden tang knife. And then I'm going to do it Sanmai style. I've got two 15N20s for the cladding and the 1080 for the center. Next step I'm going to do, basically, well, up to this point I have ground the flat sides where they're going to be forge welded together nice and clean. And I've hit them with acetone to clean them off, get the oils off as well. Now I'm going to put them together and then weld all the way around. Okay, so we're going to put in the 15N20 first, the 1080 in the center, and then the second 15N20, all with the clean sides facing each other. Get that in as flat and smooth and straight as I can, and we're just going to tighten it up. I'm going to go ahead and clamp individually on the ends too, just so that I can make sure this is nice and tight together. Okay, this is a picture of the billet all welded up, and it has a stick on it, which is just really hard. I've gone completely around it so that way no air gets into the forge weld. Doesn't take big giant whacks right now. Kind of softer, more gentler, but more precisely placed hits and strikes of the hammer. You really want to try to cover the entire surface with a good hammer strike so that you can get a perfect forge weld. This is the billet now. It's grown quite a bit. It's about at 9.5 inches long. It's still pretty thick. I'm going to go ahead and thin it out some more. Draw it out just a tiny bit more. Grind off all these welds here and flatten everything out real smooth before I go ahead and cut out my knife shape. But that should be 3 pieces.
Okay, so those last pictures are just recent shots that I took today. Here is what the billet looks like now. It's 11 1/4 of an inch long and relatively thin now. This is as thin as I'm going to take it because if I do it any thinner, I don't know if I'll be able to make it flat enough when I start grinding it. But there's 3 layers in there. So far, everything looks like it's stuck together nicely. And that's it. So I'll show you guys what we're doing here real soon.